Hey guys, welcome back to another Epic Brody video, and today I will be telling you how to make a realistic Pong game with realistic physics. I have made a video on Pong game, but that's more simple for beginners. This will be a tiny little bit more advanced, not much though. So first, I'll make my paddle. Thick outlines make it look good for some reason, I don't know. I just like thick outlines. So I'll do that, and I'll stretch it, and that's our paddle. I'd make it around edges, but I have no idea how to do that. And then we'll make a new sprite. Again, thick outline, I don't know. It looks nice to me. And then we have a ball. Let's make it smaller. So what we're going to do, for this we're going to make two variables. That is going to be speed x for this sprite only, and speed y for this sprite only. So now we have this, but what do these variables do? So first we need a when flag clicked forever change x by speed x. Then we can also go change y by speed y. So now if we set, let's get speed y slider, we put it up, it should go up. So let's change the range to negative 100. We can go into those negative numbers. So you see it's it's like glidey. And then we'll have to have, at the beginning, set speed x and set speed y to 0. So that it always resets. And then again, in that forever, change speed y by negative 1. It sets it so that gravity is always in effect, so it always goes down over time. That is very important. So now we can set our ball here. Let's turn that off and then put it there. But what about when it touches the paddle? So what we can do is get a control if, and then in sensor touching sprite 1, because that's the name of the paddle, we can set speed y to 5. So we can pause it and replay. So it bounces up and down on our paddle.